Assalamu alaikum. Sister, is my understanding you want to take Shahada, that you wish to become a Muslim, yes?
Gusto mo raw na maging Muslim na handa ka na yumakap sa Islam.
Okay. Can you tell me, just in Tagalog, and Ma will translate, can you tell me why you decided to become Muslim?
Ano raw ang dahilan kung bakit gusto mo maging isang Muslim?
Para po masubukan ko ang lahat. Kung saan ko ang maganda.
Okay. She wants to observe also this religion because she had been for so many religions.
I see. So you found something in Islam that you did not have in the other religions?
May natagpuan ka ba sa Islam na hindi mo natagpuan sa ibang religion? Meron daw. Yes.
What was that?
Ang binasa ko.
Because she reads.
She reads.
She reads.
And you read the Quran, already read the Quran, and you read books about Islam?
Nagbasa ka ba ng
Opo.
Holy Quran at saka ibang libro sa Islam?
Yung binigay po sa kanila.
The books that your auntie Kindeng gave to her.
Okay, the ones that were provided by
Yes.
the society in Alexandria, Egypt, the Islamic Invitation Society. Okay. So before I have you say Shahada, I want to make sure you understand what it means because it's very important. And Brother Parnalan, do you wanna join us? The words La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah means there is only one that is worth being worshipped, and that is Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger.
Okay, ito pong sabi niya na yung babanggitin ninyo na Asyhadu la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Ang ibig po sabihin mo, kayo ay sumasaksi at naniniwala kayo na meron lamang iisang Diyos at si Muhammad ay ang kanyang propeta o sugo.
So, let's do it in English and Tagalog first, then we'll do the real thing in Arabic. Do you believe that there is only one God, and do you believe that Muhammad is his last and best messenger?
Okay. Naniniwala daw ba kayo na meron lamang iisang Diyos at si Muhammad ang kanyang propeta at huling sugo? Yes.
Okay. Then point your right index finger towards the heaven. This is a sign for one God. And just repeat after me. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Congratulations, you're Muslim now.
So next, pangalan mo. Next will be your name. Okay, meron ka napili?
What is your name now?
Wala pa lang siya napili.
No, she has.
So gusto mo bang kami ang mag na para bagay? So, the name is Auring. Auring o Aurora?
Aurora, that's light.
Yes.
So you could be Nur, which is also light.
Pwede kang maging Nura. Yun? Kasi Aurora light, maging light ka na rin.
It's your decision. You don't have to decide now.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, girls, it's your turn. Kaya may kabagawa niyan eh. They also embraced Islam just last year. This girl.
Just last
4 months. 4 months ago. Sister Nura. Kayo po, sino pa may lista? Mag-aaral para